In this video, I will show you how to disable and enable IP version 6 or IPv6 on Windows operating system. This is applicable to Windows 11 and Windows 10. Let's begin. First is we will check this computer's current IP address settings. To do this, go to your taskbar and search for CMD or command prompt. You can tick on it or click Open. Now we will enter the command IP config. This will display the Windows IP configuration. This Ethernet 3 is my LAN network adapter. This is my connection using Ethernet cable. We can see here my IPv6 address, a very long address with a combination of numbers and letters. Below is my IPv4 IP address, which we can see it's only numbers. The same goes with my Wi-Fi or wireless adapter. Both IPv4 and IPv6 are enabled. I have the IP version 4 IP address and also the IPv6 IP address. Now to disable this IPv6, go back to your taskbar and search for network connections. Tick on it to open. We can see here my LAN network adapter and also my Wi-Fi network adapter. If you also have your LAN and Wi-Fi network adapters, then you can choose which one you want to disable the IPv6. Either the LAN or the Wi-Fi or both. I'll show you how to disable on both LAN and Wi-Fi. First is we will disable IPv6 on my LAN adapter. If you only have one network adapter, then it's the same process. Right-click on it. Choose Properties. Scroll down and look for Internet Protocol version 6. Uncheck it to disable. Unchecked means disabled. Checked means enabled. Click OK to save the changes. Let's disable also IPv6 on my Wi-Fi network adapter. Same process. Right-click on it. Choose Properties. Scroll down and look for Internet Protocol version 6. Uncheck it, then click OK to save the changes. Now let's open the CMD or command prompt again. Let's run the command ipconfig again. Notice that we no longer have the IPv6 IP addresses for both LAN and Wi-Fi network adapters. To enable back the IPv6 IP address, we can go back to Network Connections. Right-click on the network interface you want to enable IPv6. We will enable IPv6 on my LAN network adapter only. We will leave it disabled on my Wi-Fi network adapter. Same process. Right-click on it. Choose Properties. Scroll down and check the Internet Protocol version 6. Again, check to enable, uncheck to disable. Click OK to save the changes. Let's check the Wi-Fi network adapter. As we can see, IPv6 is still disabled. Let's now open the command prompt again and enter the command ipconfig. We can see here the new IP address settings. My LAN adapter received IPv6 IP address again since we just enabled it. Since we leave it disabled on my Wi-Fi network adapter, then you can see that we did not receive IPv6 IP address on this interface. I hope by now you know how to disable and enable IPv6 on your computer. Well, that's all for today's demonstration, and I really hope you liked this video. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click on the notification bell for more amazing tutorials. Thank you and see you in the next video.